Interest rate risks looms ahead of the ECB meeting and the meeting of the US Federal Reserve. Hello, I'm Kyle Rodder, and in this week's Cryptoverse, we will preview the ECB and Fed meeting and look at 3 cryptos to watch this week. It's considered an almost certain bet that the US Federal Reserve and European Central Bank will raise interest rates this week. According to the CME's FedWatch tool, the Fed is a roughly 85% chance of lifting rates by a further 25 basis points in a move that would take US rates to 5.25%. Given a hike is all but priced in, the crucial element for market participants will be the guidance given by Chairperson Jerome Powell and his team. Traders are pricing in almost no likelihood of any further hikes and are even discounting the chance of cuts before year end. Hawkish language from the central bank, even perhaps a message of higher for longer rates, could weaken riskier assets like cryptocurrencies. Arguably, the ECB's decision could bring with it an even greater level of volatility for crypto markets. This is because while the Fed's move has been well telegraphed and almost entirely priced in, market participants are still divided as to whether the ECB will raise by 25 basis points or even 50. The consensus call is for a 25-point hike, which would take Europe's key interest rate to 3.75%. A bigger hike, or perhaps simply hawkish language, would likely rattle markets and send yields higher and risk assets lower. Although the knock-on effects of a stronger euro and subsequently weaker US dollar could support dollar-denominated crypto prices. Regulatory risks remain a factor in crypto markets too. Coinbase finds itself at the center of the latest battle as it butts head with the US Securities Exchange Commission. Amidst a broader crackdown on crypto exchanges following several high-profile collapses in 2022, the SEC has launched an offensive against the industry, accusing several industry players, including Coinbase, of breaking securities laws. Here are 3 cryptos to watch in the week ahead. Upside in Bitcoin prices appears capped at $30,000 as price momentum turns lower. A head and shoulders pattern looks to be appearing in the charts too, with near-term support around 27,200 right now. Any kind of break below 27,000 may open up a further push towards 25,000. Price would need to consolidate above 30,000 to invite further bullishness from market participants. The technicals of Ether appear to point to downside risks in the short term. The crypto has tended to be sold above $2,000, with support around $1,800 slowly eroded. A break of that level could open up a test of roughly $1,700. For the time being, momentum does seem to be skewed to the downside for Ether. However, a further push below that $1,700 level could invite sellers to push the price back towards $1,600 or even further. Last but not least, a look at the Crypto 10 Index. The Crypto 10 Index conversely, the broad loss of momentum in crypto assets. Price appears range-bound between 8,000 and 8,500.